Hi. So today we are going to modify and edit the mileage log sheet step by step. This is going to go pretty quickly, so feel free to pause it, run through it, or kind of watch it again as many times as you need to, just to kind of get the feel for it if this goes a little faster than what you're comfortable with. Okay, so you have the slide, you have clicked on the link. It is going to redirect to copy document. Would you like to make a copy? Yes, you would. Okay, so now you are in your version of this document. Hang on one second. Okay. Up here at the top, you can edit and change this to whatever you want this to be. This will be the name of the document. You can change it to, your name and mileage log. So you can go ahead and get rid of all of that and your name's mileage log. Great. That's going to be the name of the file. You can also change your title up here. Set your name's mileage log. All right. Next, so this is kind of the whole behind the scenes, the setup for what it's going to look like when you are ready to use it on a daily basis. We have kind of the setup page. I already have everything made. Today's date, if you wanted to change that to, I think there is a date here. If you plan on using it for a button on your home screen on your iPad, I don't know anything about Android, I'm so sorry. On an iPad or an Apple product, your phone, whatever, it will not work. The date portion won't work for whatever reason. So I had to just change mine to a short answer and then just type in the date. So I just want to let you know that that's why I chose the short answer. Okay, so the short answer for that. And then your first location, in this one, you should change these out and put in all the names of all of your schools. This will end up being, if you look over here, this will be what is a drop down. So it'll be a drop down. If you wanted to do short answer and type it in, that's fine. I think the drop down is the fastest. If you wanted to change it to like a checkbox, you could most definitely do however you want to do it. That's the beauty of this whole tool. So this can be your school, your elementary, whatever you want it to be. I'm just gonna, what was that one? Oh, I know that one. Whatever you want it to be, then that will be the way that it's set up. And make sure you do that for every single one of your locations. There's many locations. I'm just going to go ahead and put mine back in there. If you wanted to slide them and change them into a different order, you're just dragging and moving that down. If there are too many options, like 8 is like way too many, going ahead and clicking on the X will remove whatever you want. If this form is too long for you, I think there are like 8 locations. If it's too long for you, down at the bottom, there's always, of each question, there's always an option to delete it. Okay. And if you have one, you have your first location, feel free to click duplicate and it will make the same ones for the next one. Then all you have to do is edit your title. So that's super easy, right? Okay. All right. Next. So once you kind of get all of this, you're feeling good about how it's all set up. I did add a note section down here that is for if we perhaps click on other, maybe we went somewhere. You can kind of add it in at the bottom as to what happened that day if it was like something out of your usual routine. Okay, so we have everything the way we like it, and it looks great. We got all of our schools in, each question will have every single one of your schools in it, and we are going to click this eyeball, the preview button. This is where you can now utilize your mileage log sheet. Okay, so we'll put in today's date. Today's date of me working on this is February 14th, 2023. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, and then we've got, this is how we're going. Okay, so today I went to all of these places. Okay, we had a busy day today. We went all over Tarnation. All right, what even is Tarnation? I don't even know. Okay, so then we went to like other. Other, we'll say, is like an admin building somewhere. We had to pick up equipment, right? Okay, did that. So now when you have your whole day done, click submit. This will get you ready to do your next days, like your next day of mileage. You can submit another response, but we're actually going to stop there. You should still up at the top have your tabs. You're going to go back one tab, back to your, like I'm going to call it your setup screen, like your behind the scenes setup. And you up at the top here, hang on, let me go all the way to the top. You've got questions, responses, and settings. And look, you have a response already, which is you. We did this. Okay. Please don't pay any attention to this stuff down here. It's not super important. What is important is clicking this link. You'll only have to do this once, the very first time that you create this for yourself. So you'll click this. It's a spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet of your mileage log. You're going to create a new spreadsheet. Click create. Okay, and here is your spreadsheet. Here is the spreadsheet that is going to keep track of every place that you go as long as you put it in. So we've got the timestamp of when you actually are putting it in, the date of your travel, and then all of the locations that you have traveled to. And then we have, where did I go? The notes. Oh, I went to that admin building somewhere. Okay, great. Every day that you add to this mileage form, you're going to add another row of information and data that you can easily click on and then highlight using Shift and your arrow buttons. I always use my arrow overs. And you can copy this and paste it into whatever formal mileage sheet that you might have. That's usually how I do it, and it really is so nice. It takes so much time off of my paperwork life, which we all love, right? So we've got that. And if you are still wondering, like, okay, where do I find this next once I have it? This next slide is kind of the how-to of where to find it. Now I'm going to warn you, I have a lot of documents in my Google Drive. So if you don't have a whole lot of documents or you don't use Google Drive too much, you'll probably have these first two like right in the front, very easy to see. So I'm going to warn you, it could be overwhelming to you if you are not a Google Drive user. Okay, so I'm going to open a new tab here at the top. I already have my Google screen here. I'm going over to the corner to this guy, and then I'm going to click on Drive. Your Drive might be somewhere different. You might have to scroll down a bit to find Drive. If you want, you can always just kind of like drag and move your Drive button around. Clicking there. And here is your spreadsheet. And here is your mileage log. Okay. Ta-da! You did it. All right. All right. And that is the tutorial for how to use your mileage form and how to edit your mileage form. Hope this helps.